So I got a bunch of fidgets, okay? And you're gonna be finding the fidgets around the house. Hurry, 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 hurry. Here. No!
My hand from him send with me tonight. I run away. I run away. I run away. I run away.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jancy Family. So guys, I'm right here with Starry because me and Starry are gonna be surprising Suri and George. So the kids are upstairs, Nani's upstairs. I decided to get a bunch of fidgets, and me and Starry are gonna be hiding them, okay? So we have a couple of bags of fidgets, and we're gonna be hiding each bag, and then we're gonna tell the kids to come down to look for them. So we're gonna see who finds the most fidgets. The most fidgets. It sounded like she said fidgets. So we're gonna start hiding them right now, guys. Before we do that, if you're still not part of our family, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications to become a Jancy. She's so cute, I know. You ready? Let's do it. Where are we hiding them? Okay, so let's open this bag. All right, guys, so we have the bag open. Get some, and we're gonna hide them, okay? Make sure. Yeah, we're gonna hide them. No, you're just gonna play with them. Let's go, come on. So, we gonna start hiding fidgets everywhere. Come on. We gotta do it everywhere, come on. So we're gonna be doing 2 bags right now because we have, okay, so we have 2, 3, 4 bags. So we're gonna be hiding 2 now for Suri or George, and 2 more bags to whoever's last. Nana's gonna be helping them, okay? So they could get more. Because we're gonna be hiding them in very sneaky places, right, Starry? Fidgets! Fidgets! Come on, look! Come on! Go, hurry! Okay, this is gonna be a really easy place to hide, guys. Okay, so these little things under here, right, Starry? What do you think?
No, God!
Good? All right, guys, so we already hit 1 bag. We're gonna be doing this 2 after whoever is next. And now we're gonna do this bag. You ready, Starry?
Nope.
Let's go to the other. Okay, get some. Hurry, get some.
Hey, what happened?
Hurry. No, Mama, you're taking years. Here, you play with that one. Good, come on. Okay, so we're gonna be going to this other dining room. So we have a lot here. Look at this, guys. This is a lot of fidgets. So we have a lot of puppets. You ready to hide them? You ready? Are you even helping me, bro? Are you gonna help me? You're just playing. Come on, let's hide them. Alright guys, so we just finished hitting both of the bags. Starry, she is not helping me. Look what she's doing. She's actually finding them and keeping them. Look at that. She already found the heart fidget puppet and she's keeping it. I know you're matching, Mom, but what's happening? Huh? Okay, you get to keep him then. Whatever you find, you keep. Okay? Come on, let's go get everybody. Come on. Everybody, we are ready. Calm down. Starry, tell everybody to calm down. Tell everybody to come down. Tell them we're done.
Wait, why is it puppets? No, I think that's the old one, right?
Yeah, but I hid that one, but she found it.
What? Already, Mama?
All right, guys. So I'm gonna tell you the rules.
Okay, what is it?
Okay. So I got a bunch of fidgets. Okay, a box of new fidgets, and yeah, a box.
A box?
Yeah.
What?
Tell them, Starry. Tell them. You can come down. You can come down.
And then?
Okay, so the rules are gonna be George against Suri, but your mom's gonna be helping you. No! Okay? Starry, you're not gonna be telling them, okay?
Where?
No, Starry, don't.
So I'm going to help all of them?
Yes, so I'm gonna be doing maybe like 2 minutes.
Or maybe a timer?
2 minutes, and you're gonna be finding the fidgets around the house, here in the bottom only, okay?
Okay.
So I think you should do rock, paper, scissors to see who starts first. But wait, so whoever goes first, if you don't find all of them, the second person is gonna be able to find them, but I'm gonna be putting more, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna be,
That's fair.
yeah, I put 2 bags and I'm gonna be putting 2 more bags. So first person, make sure you find all of them, okay?
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah!
So you gotta find all of them. If not, George is gonna be finding them, okay?
Okay, Suri.
And,
Ready to help you. I'm ready. Can I have you too?
no, so you cannot help her, okay? So it's just gonna be your mom and Suri.
And Philip.
And the princess.
Okay.
Staris is doing the same as the kids all the time.
Yeah, she's copying them. Look,
Hey, what happened?
Can I
like George.
just watch you?
Yeah, you can watch, but you can't say where they are, okay? Okay, you guys ready to start?
Yeah! Let's do it!
Okay. So we got 2 minutes in the clock. Ready, set, and go.
Oh! Okay, you wanna?
You gotta hurry, bro. Hurry.
Let's go to the other living room. Let's go.
You sure?
Yeah! What? I cannot see nothing right here, Mama.
Wait!
What? Oh!
I'm here!
Okay, a minute and a half.
Come on, come on.
Yeah, I put a lot, okay? A lot.
Go, 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 go. Okay, give me.
A banana.
Those were easy.
Whoa,
Starry, I told you not to hide them there,
so
Starry.
easy.
Man, Starry.
Come on, the fruit. This is
A minute left. A minute. 55 seconds. 52. 50.
What? Where's my?
Man,
Thank you. In the peanuts, Mama, in the peanuts.
There's nothing in the pillows. They found the big one.
Yay! Oh, another one! Yay! Give me.
Oh wait, I forgot to mention another rule. If you don't find all of them, you and George Starry gets to keep them. Yeah!
Oh my God! Okay, keep looking, Mama.
20.
The kitchen.
16.
with us.
13.
Okay.
10. Why are you checking there? I didn't put him in there.
Oh, we found it!
No, that's the other bag. Don't even look at it. Don't look at it. It's time. It's time, guys.
I think we found all of them, right?
Yeah.
No,
No?
you didn't.
There's more?
There was more, yeah. Okay, so
Okay, just put it in my hand.
2 more minutes. I think Bambi, stop eating that banana. Now this time, I think Bambi's gonna help me.
No!
Cause Starry, she was you got a lot. That's not all of them though. And this is old fidget, so this doesn't count. Okay, that doesn't count.
Okay, so we have.
Hey, you got a lot though. Okay, so you guys, have to go upstairs while I hide the other ones, okay?
Okay, so let's go upstairs.
Let's go. Oh my
Let's go.
So Bambi wanted to go outside, so Starry's gonna help me. She's super ready. She's Pebbles from the Flintstones, right there. I love you so much. Okay, you ready? Okay, let's go, Starry. How many are you gonna hide? Are you gonna hide this time? Here, look. We have this. Look at this. Look at that. Is that cool or what? Okay, so we got the fidgets here. Let's see. There's a huge bag right here. There's a heart. Gonna be hiding this here.
Nope.
I don't want to make them really hard, guys, because they only have 2 minutes. So this is what we have, Starry. Can you please help me this time? Can you help me?
No!
Yeah? Okay. So under this. Starry, what are you doing, bro?
My name is Jeff.
Okay, so these ones are really tiny. So we're gonna put this under here. They're really tiny. The other one has the big ones. Okay, under here. So this bag has the big ones, guys. Let's open this up. You ready, Starry? You ready to hide this bag? Talk to me, Starry, please. Alright, guys, so this bag has the Among Us puppets. So 3 of them. This is gonna be cool. Okay, so let's hide. This one's gonna be hard, okay? I'm gonna put this inside the lamp. Starry, come help me, Ma. Come on, Starry, you're not even helping. Oh my God. Are you gonna help me?
No! God!
Yes or no? I still got a bag left. Come on, this way. Let's hide him here. So I found this fidget. Look at Starry. Look at Starry. You ready? Watch this. Starry, look. Look. You were hiding right now. What happened? So I was giving it to her. She was hiding. Look. What happened? It's just a toy. Here. You see that? Look, Starry, look.
No!
I don't know. Look, it just looks like this. Watch. Starry.
Boy, if you don't get...
She covers her eyes. It's super funny. You ready? Here. Why? It's just this. Look. Here. Alright. Let's get everybody down. Guys, we're ready. Come down. Hurry, I'm gonna show you something that Starry's doing. It's so funny.
What happened?
Watch. Come. I don't know if she's gonna do it, but watch. Look at this toy, okay? Watch. Look at Starry. Starry, here.
Hey, what happened?
She's not doing it no more. She was hiding.
Hiding what?
Here. Look. You think so? But she grabbed it right now. Look. Starry, here. Mama. Here. Starry, here.
I know what to do. Give me
Okay, George, you ready?
It's your turn, Papa. Yeah, we're ready.
There's a lot of fidgets out there because Sir didn't find all of them.
Here you go, this is yours, okay?
So we got 2 minutes and action! There's nothing there. There's nothing in the same spot, okay?
Same spot, Papa.
I didn't hide in the same spot, so.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
That's it? You're leaving?
Give me. I want it for you.
You think you're gonna find all of them? I think it's not. Right?
Oh, yay! It's alive! Okay.
Why did you put that one in?
It was so
Your mom didn't put anything, it was me. Because Starry wasn't helping me. Those are really tiny to hide. You know, that's why I put them there.
I need this bag.
A minute. 1 minute.
Hurry. Wait. Daddy, wait. Tell me what. Ah!
Careful. 50 seconds. 50.
Oh, man. Wait for me.
I think I got more than that.
Oh, there's more.
40.
No.
Give it.
No.
Daddy, where's Mama?
What happened?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
20 seconds. What happened, Mama? You okay? I think it's that toy. Take the toy away from her. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I think that.
Time is up.
There's more, amor.
I think there
Okay, so there's more.
I'm tired.
So you gotta put those right here in the middle.
Please, please.
And
No.
there's a lot of tiny ones here. That's the thing. You didn't get any tiny ones, Ma?
Yeah, this
But I think I'm to you.
Okay.
Oh, what happened?
What happened? Okay, so what we're gonna do now is get the rest for Starry.
For starting? Oh. Okay, guys. Let's.
Okay, I'm gonna get the rest for Starry. You guys can count. Okay?
Oh my.
Alright guys, so these are the ones that they couldn't find. It's like a whole bag, guys, and a lot of big ones.
Look at these guys.
There's a turtle, strawberry, the Among Us.
Okay, let me show.
Yes! Can we still keep
How
that?
about the pineapple?
Pineapple.
Strawberry.
Wait, those are Starry, so put them back.
Oh.
Can I just keep one of Starry's?
We'll see right now. First, we gotta count and see who got the most fidgets, okay? You guys didn't count?
Yeah, we don't have to count because it's obviously.
So you didn't count?
No,
Guys.
There's a lot, and I think.
Count. Okay, so how many did you get, Siri?
30.
36. And you, George?
43.
So the winner is
Starry.
Starry, cause she got 50.
She got 50?
No, she didn't get 50. George won.
Yeah!
So now let's see what you guys got. Let's see.
I want to show you. These ones are different. We never.
Yeah, I know what to do. I only have one. No, I know what to do. You put water inside and then you blow it and water comes out.
Oh.
And you
Oh.
can do this too. You can make a thing.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you can make a thing. Yeah, a thing.
This one is so cool. I like
What?
it. I don't have an idea what this does. Look.
What is it?
Oh, it's like a puppet. It's like a puppet.
Puppet? Oh.
That's it?
It's a
No,
puppet.
this is like.
Guys.
This is so weird.
Wait, I know what to do. Wait,
Bruh.
No, I don't know.
let me try.
That one is different, but it doesn't do anything.
Oh!
Okay, guys, show me which one is the best one. The best that you got.
Ah, the chicken.
Rubber
I
chickens.
think mine is the unicorn and the pineapple. It just looks so cute. Look.
Oh, yeah. That one's huge.
Okay, nothing is better than this. This is a chicken. I don't know.
And I got a little unicorn. I love it. And a little heart.
A little hard?
Yeah, you can hang it in your backpack.
Oh, you can take that to school.
Yeah. And I got this one. I got the same thing as mine. And would you look at this? This thing is so cute. It's me.
What is that?
Squishy.
We got a lot of repeat ones.
Okay, this one is an owl.
That's mine though.
Yeah, this one. Let's see what this thing do. Okay, this is like, I don't know.
Nothing. Doesn't do anything.
No.
Oh,
No, it doesn't do nothing. It doesn't.
This is so cool. Look, guys.
Oh.
I'm the owl. I'm the owl. Hey, I'm the owl. No, I'm the owl. Oh, fine. You have to press it here. Go. No!
The owl's too fat. It's too heavy.
Yeah, I think you're right.
You got a skateboard here? Ooh.
This is mine. Oh wait, this is mine. I got one skateboard.
Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to eat my ice cream right now.
Oh, I'm gonna eat a pineapple right now. That's my delicious pineapple.
Sorry, ice cream.
This is a turtle with the ABCs.
Wait, what is this? Well, I'm gonna play Among Us. What is this?
Let me see. This is just the ball. So since George is the winner, he's gonna be keeping all the fidgets! Hey Jancy family, so we're gonna be giving out some shout outs before we close this video. We hope you had a lot of fun finding all the fidgets with the kids. So George's gonna be sharing his fidgets with Suri. Last time George won too. Suri lost. I don't know why, but Suri, come on.
It's just I can't find them. I couldn't find them.
Bruh.
Sorry, why didn't you help me?
Alright guys, so the first shout out is gonna be for Roblox account. Shout out to you. What happened to your hair, Suri? Look at your hair. Okay, the second shout out is gonna be for Pop Master. Shout out to you. Remember guys, if you guys wanna get a shout out, comment down below. Let us know you wanna get a shout out and we'll give you a shout out, guys. That's easy.
What shout out 21? Make sure you subscribe and click the bell so I can win every challenge. No, me. No, me.
Alright guys, so the last shout out of the day is gonna be for XX Pink Purple. Shout out to you. Alright guys, well that'll be it for this video. We love you guys so much, and like we always say, we'll see you